You ready? Yes. Glory in the highest. Hosanna. Jesus is the Prince of Peace. Hosanna. Blessed is the King who comes in the name of the Lord. Hosanna. Jesus is the King. Hosanna. Blessed is the King of Israel. Hosanna. Hosanna to the Son of David. Hosanna. Hosanna.
As a great evangelist, Billy Graham often asked, "Where would you have been on the first Palm Sunday when Jesus rode in the street of Jerusalem as a king riding on a donkey? Where would you have been on the first Palm Sunday? Are you going to be among the disciples who welcomed him, or among the skeptical crowds who shouted, 'Crucify him'? Which crowd do you belong to?" Let's examine ourselves, let's ask ourselves. It's easy to condemn those who condemn Jesus. But would we have acted any differently? We too are sinners, and we too have rebelled against God. But the central message of Easter is that God still loves us, and because of Christ we can be forgiven. He came for one reason. Christ died for sins once for all to bring you to God. 1 Peter 3:18 says, Christ died for sins once and for all so that we can be brought to God. So this week, let's consider it all and choose to give it all to Him without holding anything back. May we welcome Him into our life during this holy season.